Welcome to the channel and first video of Shanky Verma Dance. Hi, my name is Shanky Verma and I am a dancer and I'm a dance teacher and instructor who is going to upload such a wonderful video on this channel. So today's video is based on a course. I'm going to bring up a course on this YouTube channel where I'll teach you about hip hop from A to Z. What are the techniques, what are the terminologies, what are the things that we need to take care, and blah blah, every aspect of hip hop. Okay, so I'll be uploading hip hop from today onwards and you will be seeing the videos on every alternate days. Yes, so today's video is all about the Monestry. We are going to learn the old school cool move, hip hop move, Monestry, and we'll understand all of the technique and aspects. But before you learn with me Monestry, why do you learn with me? That is a big question. So in spite of that, I'm a trainer who's been training from last 15 years or thousands of students, and I have been trained from Kings United, the one who has won the two big championships. The one is the Hip Hop International Championship and the second is the WOD. They are the winners. And yes, you might be have seen the movie ABCD2. The ABCD2 movie was a biopic movie of Kings United. So I have been trained from there and I've been teaching from last 15 years, and this session is going to be really interesting. And the things which are coming on this channel, it is also going to be very exciting. So let's begin with today's session and let's learn the Monestry. Let's start with Monestry. So for doing Monestry, you need two of your body parts. It's your arms and your legs as usual. But you need to take a position. From here, you will take a second position and you need to take care of your soft knees. Your knees should be a little bit bent. Beginner dancer even do this mistake. I have seen many times as I was teaching many of the kids or the students. So what is happens when your knees are straight, you are not allowed because of your body posture to do a quick movement, to a clean movement, to a balance, and at the end the step is not even going to look cool. So whenever you do any of the moves, take care of your soft knees. The knees should be bent. Okay, let's begin with the legs first. So what are you going to do with the legs? So in simple way, you're going to take your right leg on the toes. Okay, and when you take it on the toes, you hit it inside with your knees. And it is very important to understand the body transfer, because body weight transfer is very important. When you go on the right leg toe, that means whole of your body weight is going to be on the left leg, left side. So you take your right leg on the toes and you hit it, your body balance, body weight is on left leg, so that it would be more easier to go with the right leg knee hit. When you understand the body weight and the knee hit, so how you're going to do, you take the legs on toes and you're going to hit it inside. Same with the left, on toes, hit it inside, the body weight will go on to the right, hit it inside, hit it inside, hit it inside. Okay, now you understood the legs. So what are you going to do the next is your arms. So what are you going to do? Arms can be variated as much as you want it with your practice and rehearsal. But today I'm going to get you a basic idea of that. So what are you going to do? We are going to use the twisted hand, okay, in such a way. So what are you going to do? Just lock your elbow over here. It's not about that the elbow should be locked, it's up to you. So basic idea I'm giving you today. So what are you going to do? You're going to take your arms down, be normal. Now you take it gradually up to the right, up to the left, up to the right, up to the left. But as you are seeing, I'm taking it from down to the up, down to the up, down to the up. Imagine something like a car steering. Not exactly, but something. Okay, so we go down to the up, down to the up, down to the up, down to the up. On the both of the sides, the right as well as onto the left also. Now let's get with the arms and the legs together. So open your legs, soft knees. Now we'll go with the legs on the toe head, legs on the toe head, legs on the toe head. And we'll take the hands together from the down to the up, right and left. Let's do it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you need to take care of one thing, as I said in the earlier, your body weight transfer. So when you're going from the right, the whole of the body weight is on the left leg. So your positions should come something like this. Same with the left side, the body weight is on the right. We go right, left, right, left. Okay, so this was our monestry. Now, we can variate this move in many of the ways. It's up to you as you rehearse and you do the practice according to the moves that you're going to put it in your choreography on the song. Okay, let's try one, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start from my basic position where I taught you from the second position. But what I will be doing, I'll be changing my legs and I'll be changing my legs direction and the positions too. Let's see. So we begin from the basic one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and change, 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 change. Single hand, single hand, single hand, single hand. Get out and in opposite. So as when we come to the variation, it depends upon your practice and the results as you do the hard work. You can vary as per your choice. So this was all about monestry. I hope you liked the video. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll be meeting you with another session, another amazing move and the technique in the next video. So keep watching this hip hop series and the hip hop course where I'm going to begin you with the new and the crazy amazing things. So I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Keep rehearsing, keep practicing, keep doing the hard work.